Hello guys! In this video, I will teach you how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Before starting the process, make sure your iOS device is updated to its latest version, and the device to which you are going to mirror your iPhone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now you need to go to your settings and then General, where you will find this option called AirPlay and Handoff, and tap that option. Now, from the top, as you can see, it says Automatically AirPlay. Tap there once. Now, from here, you need to select either Ask or Automatic. I'm going to select Ask. As I don't want my device to get mirrored automatically, now you need to close this, and from the top right corner, swipe and open your control center. Now, as you can see in this option, you need to tap here once, and you will find the device that you can mirror from your iPhone. So yeah, that's how you can mirror your iPhone to another device. Thanks for watching.